That Witch Bakery has been in Chelsea Market forever. When I first came here about 15, 20 years ago, it was here and I tried it and I fell in love. They have the richest, most gooey brownies that you'd ever want. Chocolate, blondies, flavored of every kind, raspberry, peanut butter, whatever. It's so good. I can't come to Chelsea without at least stopping in and getting some to take back to the room for my trip. Already starting to stock up, but then they brought out my favorite flavor, samples. You can usually get them here. They have them of every kind. This is the coffee flavor. I like the coffee flavor. It's got a really rich, intense flavor. So good. Chelsea district used to be industrial, and this was a big factory. And then maybe 20 years ago or so, somebody came up with the bright idea of turning this into a little shopping center. And so inside here now, in Chelsea Market, we have all kinds of food places, markets, and clothing stores, and lots of fashion accessories, some home accessories. It's become very popular. It's become very busy. This is Chelsea Market. It's a lot of fun. Chelsea Market has grown and developed over the last few years, and it's always been very popular since it was originally started. And now it's even better. Lots of stores have opened up. It's got some quite famous places like Los Tacos Numero Uno, I think. I'm not a big taco fan for New York City, but they have probably some of the best tacos in New York. There are a bunch of candy stores. There's a bunch of great restaurants. Young's favorite ramen places here. Chelsea as a district has become quite popular. It's big nightlife as well as the meatpacking district right next door. It's a fun place to come if you want to come and party. And if not, come here to Chelsea Market around lunchtime. Come hungry. You won't be disappointed.